Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection, and today's trend to try is watermelon lip. And it's all about getting this fuller, juicy pink lip. And I am joined by Melinda, and we are going to try on 2 different ways that you can style a watermelon lip.
Helen, have you ever tried to lip sing a song saying watermelon? And it looks like different words?
Okay, so Melinda, I love to start off this look using the Sephora collection Rouge Gel Lip Liner. And this one is in Cashmere Pink. It's 08. And it's just a really great, like a watermelon shade. It's a really good one. And I love it because it gives you the chance to overdraw your lips and make them like a little fuller and plumper, which is sort of what this trend is about. I love to just overline ever so slightly, which I feel like I learned from your last video. So good.
Thank you. So I have the same type of liner from Sephora collection, but my color is a little bit different. It's a Cosmo color. We're just gonna start by overlining slightly.
I always do like the center of my lip and the Cupid's bow, and then I go from the outer corners up just to give it that rounded effect.
I haven't worn a pink lip in so long. This is fun.
I know. I feel like I miss lip color so much. All of this mask wearing just makes it so I don't wear my lips as often, but whenever I'm on like video calls and stuff, of course, I love to like have something that pops, so I like this trend.
Yeah, I've been doing a really bold red lip for a lot of video chats because I feel like if I don't put anything else on my face and just do like a very minimal brow or something like that, it's still like a statement and it really stands out on video. So I could see pink being a really like fresh and more hot weather kind of vibe.
So since we have the same formula, I really like this because it's really easy to sort of blend it out and make sure that it's really smooth. I prefer this lip liner because it's not as dry as your typical lip liner. It gives you a lot more time to play with it, so you have more time to like blend it in. Using the number 85 Pro Lip Brush.
Okay, got one.
Awesome. This brush is great. It's just got these like amazing tapered like point to it that makes it easy to blend. So I'm just blending down into my lip so there's no definition between the line and my lip. This lip liner is waterproof, so this really does make it so this lip color will stay on a long time.
I don't think I've really used this technique before where you kind of brush the liner down to your lip. It creates like a much more natural looking transition and less of a harsh line.
Next up, I'm going to use a balm. It's just to add a little bit more hydration in and more color. So I'm going to use the Lip Stories Balm in Catching Waves. This guy is brand new. I love it. And it looks it looks super vibrant, but actually It goes on like really kind of sheer and transparent. It's my favorite color that they launched.
I have a similar one here, although I'm dying now to try that. That looks so pretty. I'm going to be using the Tower 28 Beach Please Lip and Cheek and Happy Hour. And it's kind of just a balm-like texture as well.
Awesome. Yeah, and yours is like a little peachier, so that'll be cool to see. Like there's totally different takes on the watermelon lip. It's definitely just shades that look good on different skin tones. So try something new. If you don't think that you look good in a cool, try something more warm like Melinda is using, and you can just see what looks good on you. So let's go ahead and try it. You can see mine just adds like a slightly cooler tone to the lip liner.
I love this because we can kind of create the same trend in 2 different ways, and you know, you can really make it your own.
Yeah, and customize your shade, especially since we're layering different colors. You can really like customize it to be your version of watermelon lip. To top it all off, I really love the look to be super juicy looking like a watermelon. So I'm going to use our new SC Clean Glossy Lip Oil. This one is actually, the color is called Watermelon. And what's also really cool about it is that it uses watermelon seed oil to hydrate your lips. So it's truly a watermelon lip.
What am I doing with my life? I need that.
Exactly, you really do. It's so
That's
amazing.
perfect.
It's super hydrating.
I love this gloss. This is like a tried and true gloss for me, so I feel like it'll get the job done too. This is from Marc Jacobs Beauty. It's the Enamored lip gloss, and I'm using the shade Pink Flamingo.
Anything that has high shine will totally work for this, so I love that.
Yeah, I feel like you cannot have a watermelon lip without making it lip juicy.
Absolutely. That's like, I feel like the main part of the trend. Fuller and juicy. Those are like the two things.
Yeah, that's the thing. I remember matte lipstick being so on trend for so many years, and I still love a matte, but I feel like the glossy lip just gives such like a plump, a natural plump effect. Look, we're watermelon sisters.
Watermelon sisters. And that is really it for our trend to try watermelon lip. Melinda, thank you so much for joining me. It looks awesome.
Thank you so much. I love that. That was like actually very quick and easy and a really great way to bring like the pink lip back around and do something a little bit more bold. So I appreciate it.
Oh my gosh, anytime. And if you all end up trying this watermelon lip, we would love to hear about it. Please leave a comment in the comments below, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.